Understanding Store-Bought Version, a guide for English learners. Hello and welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very interesting phrase that you might come across while learning English: store-bought version. Understanding this phrase can help you better navigate conversations about products, food, and even lifestyle choices. So, let's explore what it means and how you can use it in your daily English conversations. The phrase, store-bought version, refers to any product or item that is purchased from a store rather than homemade or crafted by an individual. This can apply to a wide range of items including food, clothing, and household goods. The key distinction here is the source of the item. It is commercially produced and sold in a retail environment, as opposed to being made by hand or at home. One common context where you might encounter the term store-bought version is in discussions comparing store-bought items to homemade ones. This comparison often revolves around factors like quality, cost, and personal preference. For example, some may prefer the homemade version of a cake for its freshness and personalized touch, while others might opt for the store-bought version for its convenience and consistency. Let's look at a few examples to see how store-bought version can be used in everyday conversation. 1. Cooking and baking. I didn't have time to bake a pie, so I brought a store-bought version to the dinner party. 2. Crafts and decorations. Although I love crafting, for this party, I decided to go with the store-bought version of decorations to save time. 3. Clothing and accessories. The store-bought version of this dress is nice, but I prefer the custom-made one for its unique design. These examples show the versatility of the phrase and how it can be applied in various contexts to describe the origin and nature of items. Understanding the phrase, store-bought version, can greatly enhance your English vocabulary, especially when discussing preferences, shopping, and lifestyle choices. Remember, the distinction between store-bought and homemade items often involves factors like convenience, quality, and personal taste. We hope this video has shed light on this common English phrase and its usage. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more helpful content.